How to use AirDrop in iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use AirDrop in iPhone. To use AirDrop on your iPhone, you want to ensure that both devices have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. So make sure to enable your Bluetooth and also to enable your Wi-Fi. So once you have done so, you want to make sure that you are within a certain distance, that is about 20 feet. Open the item you want to share and then tap the share button, then select AirDrop and choose the recipient. The recipient needs to accept the AirDrop on their device. So it's pretty simple and easy. All you gotta do is go ahead and make sure that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is enabled. Then you can go ahead and open up what you wish to share, tap on the share icon, and you can use AirDrop option here. And then you can see, if you don't see any nearby people, you can go ahead and do this. Both your iPhone, you want to connect it on its head. This way you want to get it closer and it should find out that device. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.